Have you ever wondered why some YouTube channels explode in popularity while others struggle to get views? What if I told you there's a proven strategy that allows you to create viral videos without ever showing your face or spending any money? By the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint to build a faceless YouTube channel that attracts thousands of views and makes money on autopilot, all using completely free tools. And here's the kicker: most people completely overlook this method. If you skip this, you might be missing out on a life-changing opportunity to turn YouTube into a serious income stream without investing a single dollar. Ever noticed how some YouTube videos rack up millions of views with minimal effort? It's not luck, it's about picking the right niche. A winning niche is a mix of high demand, low competition, and audience obsession. Let's say you love psychology but don't want to be on camera. A faceless channel breaking down social behaviors or mental tricks, like the science of attraction, could get millions of views. True crime is another goldmine. People binge-watch gripping storytelling videos that analyze mysterious cases, all without needing a host on screen. Real-world example? The YouTube channel, AI Explained. It gained hundreds of thousands of subscribers by covering AI breakthroughs with just free stock footage, visuals, and a voiceover. They weren't the first to talk about AI, but they packaged their content in an engaging way that made viewers addicted. Action step: use free tools like Google Trends, Answer the Public, and YouTube's Trending tab to find a niche where people are desperate for content, but competition isn't insane. The difference between a video that gets ignored and one that blows up? The idea behind it. Viral videos have one thing in common: they trigger curiosity. The title alone should make people feel like they have to click. For example, a basic finance video might be how to save money, but a curiosity-driven version would be why 90% of people stay broke and how to escape, or instead of how to be more productive. Try the billionaire's morning routine you've never heard of. The secret? Pattern interrupts. Your title should break expectations and make people rethink something they thought they knew. Action step: use free resources like YouTube's auto-suggest feature and Google's. People also ask to find engaging video ideas that people are already searching for. Most people make this mistake. They dump information in their script without making it engaging. The truth? People stay for stories, not just facts. Here's a weak script opening. Many people struggle with waking up early. Studies show. Here's a strong one. It's 5 a.m. Your alarm goes off. You hit snooze, just 5 more minutes. Suddenly, it's an hour later, and you're already behind on your day. Sound familiar? What if I told you there's a 10-second trick that could fix this forever? Notice the difference? The second version creates a scene, builds suspense, and hooks curiosity. That's how you keep viewers watching. Action step: write your script as if you're telling a compelling story. Open with a scenario, ask a question, or make a bold statement. Worried about not having fancy editing skills? Don't be. Some of the biggest faceless channels use 100% free resources like stock footage, screen recordings, and AI voiceovers. Take the channel, Money Explained. It pulls in millions of views using basic animations and text on screen. The key? High-quality audio and engaging visuals, all created for free. Here's how to do it without spending a dime. Stock footage: use free sites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Mixkit. Voiceovers: if you don't want to record your own voice, try AI voice generators like 11 Labs, free version, or Naraki. Editing software: use DaVinci Resolve, CapCut, or Shotcut, powerful free video editors. Pro tip: the more dynamic your visuals, the more engaged your audience stays. Zoom-ins, text pop-ups, and background music make a massive difference. You can find free background music on YouTube's audio library. Action step: download a free video editor, gather free stock footage, and experiment with different styles like screen recordings or whiteboard animations. Ever wondered why some videos rank at the top while others disappear into the void? It's because they've nailed YouTube SEO. You need to optimize your title, description, and tags to rank higher. Here's a before and after example. Title: How to start a YouTube channel. Title: Start a YouTube channel with $0 no experience needed. Adding power words, numbers, or urgency makes a huge difference. And don't forget thumbnails, they're just as important as titles. A great thumbnail should be high contrast, bright colors stand out, show emotion or a bold statement, make people instantly understand the topic. Action step: Before uploading, check if your title ranks well using free tools like TubeBuddy, free version, or vidIQ. Step 6. How to monetize your Faceless YouTube channel without upfront investment. Finally, let's talk about making money without spending a dime. Here are the top revenue streams that Faceless YouTubers use. YouTube ad revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. Affiliate marketing. Promote relevant products using free affiliate networks like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Sponsorships. Companies will pay you for shoutouts once you have an engaged audience. Selling digital products. Use free platforms like Gumroad or Canva to create and sell ebooks, templates, or guides. YouTube automation. Outsource tasks using free communities like Reddit's R for Hire or Fiverr's free job listings. Action step: Pick at least one free monetization strategy and implement it immediately. Don't wait until you're big. Conclusion: Your next steps to YouTube success, without spending a cent. We just covered everything you need to build a viral, faceless YouTube channel without spending any money. Let's recap. Choose a niche that's growing fast. Come up with click-worthy video ideas. Write scripts that keep people watching. Use free resources for editing and visuals. Optimize for SEO to get discovered. Monetize smartly without upfront investment. Now it's your turn. Pick your niche, write your first script, and start creating. Don't just watch, take action today. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe, and check out our next video for more YouTube growth hacks. Also, feel free to comment where you are watching this video. I want to know more about you and the stuff you want to see more on this channel. So, let's talk more in the comments.